And after that, you can give my boy your channel's access. Then he can manage your channel and he can SEO your videos backend section. First thing, and secondly, you can pay my boy $100 advance. Okay.
Okay.
If you
Thank you so much
search
for.
on Google, just Rifat Shorkar and hit the enter button, then you can see the first result is mine. This is my YouTube channel video, and in here it's me. If you click on the video, then YouTube channel, then you can see it's me, and Freelancing School BD, it's our YouTube channel. Okay, so that is the proof, and that is the actually issue power. If how are you, sir?
All right.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA, United States. Where are you from?
We are from Bangladesh. Do you know about Bangladesh?
No.
Do you know about India or Pakistan?
Yeah. I know India. Yeah.
Okay, neighboring country, Bangladesh.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining in this meeting. And actually, my colleague, his name is Onik. Okay, he's actually reach out to you, and I am his team member, and he will join with us. I think within few seconds.
Okay. I'm sorry. So what made you so interested in my channel?
Let me introduce and let me presentation first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At first, thank you so much for joining with us. And at first, I'll have to introduce about ourselves and about our agency. My name is Rifat Shorkar, and my boy Onik. Actually, he's reach out to you, and he will work with you. And I am his team member, agency owner, and boss also. Okay. We have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more views, get more traffic, get more audience in your channel. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to completely research your YouTube channel, and then which type of people is your targeted audience. We have to perfectly research your YouTube channel, and then we have to research your YouTube channel niche related targeted keyword. That's mean which type of keyword your audience search on YouTube for watching your niche related videos. We have to find out this type of keyword, and for that we have many type of keyword research tool, YouTube certified tool for keyword research like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, RapidTag, Google Keyword Planner, and in this way we can research your niche related targeted keyword, and then we have to input and include this keyword your videos backend section like your videos title, description, and text section. And when we optimize your videos perfectly, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche, your category, or your name, then your channel and your videos will shows YouTube and Google top search result. And in this way, you can get your result. And if I search on YouTube by my name, then you can see my channel will shows on the YouTube top search result. So can I show you the proof?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Just let me. I think you can see my screen. Am I right? You can see my screen.
Yes, sir. I can. Just say
Okay.
Google.
If you search on Google, just Rifat Shorkar and hit the enter button, then you can see the first result is mine. This is my YouTube channel video, and in here it's me. If you click on the video, then YouTube channel, then you can see it's me, and Freelancing School BD, it's our YouTube channel. Okay, so that is the proof, and that is the actually issue power. If you optimize your videos backend section very perfectly, then when your audience search on YouTube and Google, your videos will show YouTube and Google top search result. In the recent past, we have done a lot of client work. If you check our previous work and their result, then you can search on Google just freelancing school bd.site. It's our website and domain name. In here, it's me. And if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see a lot of work we have done already. You can click on the YouTube SEO section before and after. You can see the SEO score, vidIQ, the YouTube certified SEO tools, and you can can see Twitter, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. A lot of work we have already done, and I have already mentioned you. We are digital marketing expert. Okay, and in here in the footer section, you can check our YouTube channel, Freelancing School BD, or you can search just our channel name. I can copy. If I search by our YouTube channel name, then you will get our YouTube channel on the top search result. So that is the actually SEO power. Okay, and also we have another method that's called Google Ads, that means paid campaign. But right now, we will recommend you can choose the SEO work because it's organic and very powerful. Okay, so right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
All right. Did y'all help any like big names or like any famous people with their channel or Instagram, or did you help any big names?
Yes, we have done a lot of work like real estate people, blogging people, etc., etc. And after finish our meeting, my boy will send you our website, etc. link. Then you can check it out by your own from our portfolio section, client meeting section. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you have any specific question, or should I have explain our budget packages?
No, I don't have any more questions. You keep going.
Okay, so should I explain our budget?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. My boy already communicate with you, and actually our main package is we have completely optimized complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion, your 30 videos in 30 days. And our premium package and monthly package cost is 300 US dollar. And in this package, we have to complete SEO optimization your 30 videos in 30 days. But my boy, he made for you a special discount for our first package. And in this package, he will give you 1,000 subscriber in 1 month. Okay, and that's budget is only 150 US dollar for you specially. Okay, sir, almost 50% discount for you.
Okay.
After 1 month, if you see yes you are satisfied with the work, and you can carry on the project for long time. I think it will be a good partnership between us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we start this project, we need some access on your channel, but still we don't need your login information like your password, email, etc. Because it's your privacy and you can't share this type of information with anyone. We just need your channel access by as a manager or as an editor. Do you know how to give access?
So you asked for my login information?
No. We no need your login information. Your email, password, etc. It's your privacy and you can share with anyone. We just need your channel access by manager or editor. Do you know how to give, or should I show you?
Show me. I said, what? Like, if I give you access to my channel, what are y'all going to do? What are y'all going to do to my channel if I give you access to it? That's what I'm asking you.
Okay. So at first we have to optimize your whole channel as like your channel description, your channel keyword section. Just give me 1 second. I think you can see my screen. If you click on your channel section, then you can see the channel keyword section. You can see the keyword freelancing কিভাবে
Oh,
করে, freelancing school BD, freelancing income, client hunting video, buyer meeting, freelancing course in Bangladesh. In here you can see a lot of keyword available, and I have put the keyword on my video on my channel's backend. That's why when our audience search on YouTube according to freelancing and this type of key skills, then they gets our channel. That's why actually. So we have to put keyword on your video's backend section, okay, at first. And then we have to, if you click on your channel customization, just customization, then in here you can see the channel description section. We have to optimize this section. We have to write the description with proper SEO and optimization. Okay, that is the first thing. And then we have to proper SEO and optimization your every video, as like your channel's title and your channel's description. We have to write description section with proper SEO optimization and with the your targeted keyword. Okay, in here you can see we have to optimize. We have to put the keyword on your video's backend section. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So after finish our meeting, at first my boy will send you all of the link, our agency's link and information. Then you can check, recheck, and verify our information. And after that, you can give my boy your channel's access. Then he can manage your channel and he can SEO your videos backend section. First thing, and secondly, you can pay my boy $100 advance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining with us. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Gentlemen, see you again. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.